Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Techno Expert. Today I'm here with a new video about MS Word. Now in this video we will learn to make a new symbol. Now that symbol is tiger symbol. If you have seen my previous videos regarding MS Word, I have already taught you about how to make a signature symbol and a bird symbol in MS Word using MS Word command or function. Today I'm going to make a tiger symbol. It will be very easy, very simple. You just have to follow my instructions. And the best part is today I'm speaking in English language, so that if anyone who is only understanding English language, then he can understand, or he or she can understand me easily. So just let's continue. So the first thing is I need to show you that which command or which function I'm using. So the command or the function is, let me show you. Now whenever I write command slash function, this is only to indicate that which command is it. Now I'm going to type the command or the function which I am using. 1F405. I hope so this is visible to you. Let me increase its size. 1F405. Now after 5, very next to the 5, you just have to press Alt plus X. Okay, let me show you. You have to press Alt plus X. Now where after you press, no, after 5 you need to press Alt plus X. Now let me show you. Alt plus X. Now I will zoom it for you, or I can increase the size of the symbol. Let me increase. Now you can see, I think you can see clearly. Now this is a tiger. You see, you can easily make a tiger using command or function in MS Word, instead of inserting a picture or inserting copy paste from the internet or anything, any source. I hope you like it. Now I will rewrite the command or the function so that you can use it when you want to make it. So the command or the function is 1F405. This is the command or the function, and after 5 you need to press Alt plus X, and then it will be executed easily. I hope my this video is going to help you. Please share, like, subscribe, comment on my video, my channel. Please help me in this regard. I will try my best to upload new videos for you. Thank you so much. Bye.